today and welcome to Letscookolet. Today we want to show you how to make barbecue pork ribs. Yes, I got a comment from Colin asking me like he have some special guests coming over and he want a good recipe for barbecue ribs. Now the first thing is we're gonna boil the ribs and I'll show you here. Bring your water to boil first. And for the ribs, you can boil the whole rack. You can boil the whole rack, or you can divide it by 2 or 3 pieces, or depends. Like me, I always like to divide it because each one person he can take the amount he wants. So what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna divide it by 3 pieces each rack, and ready to go in the water. Voila, here we go. Now what you can add some onions, and I have here sea salt and peppercorn and some bay leaves, and we're gonna boil it for about half an hour. Voila, it's been boiling for half an hour. Beautiful, look at this. You see the bones here? Look at the bones, how it's shrink, and the meat it shrink a little bit. So when you see the meat shrink from the bone about half an inch, that means your meat it's good to go. Now we'll turn off, and this is the secret about tenderizing the pork ribs. When you turn it off, keep it in the water, soaking in the water for another 20 minutes. Cover it up and leave it in the water for another 20 minutes. Now there's a couple of things I forgot to mention. The pork ribs I'm using, it's a side ribs. So I cleaned it, I trimmed it, and I have it nice, good to go. We're gonna start making the homemade whiskey barbecue sauce. So first, let's start with the ketchup, and brown sugar, garlic powder, paprika, white vinegar, hickory smoke liquid, olive oil, black pepper and salt, and the Tennessee whiskey. Tennessee whiskey it has little charcoal flavor. And you can use any regular whiskey you have, but I have the Tennessee whiskey, so might as well to use it. Now mix it very well. Nice looking barbecue sauce. Let's give it a quick try. Wow, it is amazing. You guys have to make this sauce at home. You can take more whiskey if you want. Leave some for me. Mix it very well again, and make sure your barbecue on high first, because we're gonna grill mark the ribs and then cook it on the bone side. Yes, it's my real man cave. So perfect, nice, yummy. Look at this. So first, we're going to put the bone side down. And what we're going to do, we're going to brush it very light on the meat side, the top first. Voila. Now let's make the charcoal mark. Beautiful. Now 45-degree turn. Voila. Now turn it. Bone side down. Now we'll bring the barbecue to low, the heat to low. More sauce on top, and let it cook for another 10 minutes. Voila. Nice. Look at this. Beautiful. Beautiful. Now give it the last brush and ready to go on the plate. Let's start transferring our ribs. Yum. Now when you want to impress your friend, you're gonna make everything perfect. So homemade barbecue sauce, and we show you how to boil the ribs and tenderize the ribs, and nothing better than this and the shot of whiskey. So thank you for watching. All yours to enjoy. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Take care.